This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, thanks for waiting, everybody. It took some time to launch the meeting as there was a delay with GoToMeeting, and even the screen sharing was also taken a little bit time. I hope you all can see the screen and hear me clearly. Can you all hear me clearly, please? And see the screen? You all can hear me and see the screen, right? Can anybody reply back?
Yes, sir.
All
Yes, sir,
right.
we can see
Okay.
your screen and
Yeah.
it's
Thank you.
audible.
Thank you. Yeah. Yeah. So let me quickly go to contract VA42 and check what was the contract we have done. I think we done the quantity contract and we need to move further. So GRA. So that is yesterday we made the quantity contract. So I could show you all the understanding of, I was explaining you all the understanding of quantity contract and I was showing you all the execution and releases of it. So moving forward, today you all will understand the concept of value general contract first, then followed by we'll see value material contract if time permits and master contract. So see, first of all, when you speak about a value general contract, it is all about a contract undersigned between two parties with a value exchanged. For example, now I've taken example of Grasim as a client for us, right? And who is the customer for Grasim? I've taken example of Shopper Stop. Now think Shopper Stop is paying 1 CR to Grasim. Now in return, Grasim tells come anytime. It's a lifetime commitment. Take anything worth 1 crore. But as on that day, product and its price applicable. So Shopper Stop can claim 1 crore worth with Grasim any day, lifetime. But as on the day when Shopper Stop go to Grasim, on that day, what are the products are running? See, some models may change, some fashion may change, some fabrics may change. So what Grasim is saying, you come anytime. You can collect your 1 crore worth. You can order for your 1 crore worth. But as on that day's products and as on that date's pricing, you will get the quantity accordingly. So commitment is lifetime, can be claimed for any product. Let's see how to work on this. So VA41. So here I say GRAS distribution channel GF and the division 2G, and here value general contract, enter. Now here pick the sold party, the customer ID. I give the target value, say 1 lakh. And here you need to give the material. Here you need to give the material. So I give here, say GRASIM 100. Any one material to be given here, but the claim can be happen to any material. Remember this point. ఆర్డర్ చేసేది కాంట్రాక్ట్ సైన్ చేసి వన్ మెటీరియల్ కానీ మీరు క్లెయిమ్ ఏదైనా చేసుకోవచ్చు. कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बनाते वक्त एक मटेरियल को मेंशन करना है बट ऑर्डर कैन बी हैपन फॉर एनी मटेरियल. एंटर. Edit incompletion log. It says document as complete. First point. Valid from I have not given. Valid to I have not given because it's a lifetime. Now select the line and scroll down. Go to pricing. There is item conditions. Now here can you see discount. For what material you come, I don't know. When you will come, I don't know. How can I give discount? Mark it as 0. Right. Same again. 0. I made 0 calculation for them. So it's a complete amount of 1 lakh. You can see it. And the item category here is WKN. Remember. So value released, how much it is showing? Value released is nil. Now I need to save this contract, go to order screen and pick some product of some amount worth, save that order. If I come back here, it should show that ordered amount worth to be released here. So if it is showing, then we are through with the contract execution. Let's see. So edit incompletion log. Make sure the document is complete. If the document is incomplete, you cannot release it. Remember. Save it. Done. 40000 439. Done. Refresh. Make sure you refresh. Sometime it may not show you the reference layout, that is a pop-up layout where you can pick the product, maybe the contract signed or any other one. So refreshing is must. Now I raise an order VA01. Now here I say GRA3, create with reference. Defaultly it is in quotation. Move the cursor to contract. Drop down. Continue. See, this is yesterday's made. Now this is today's. What it is showing? All zeros. That is no start date, no end date. Okay, GRA8 is our value general contract. Now after you select the product, it should read the contract ID, copy it. Now this is the screen what you should get. If you're not getting this screen, then there is a problem with the server. Okay, so here what it is saying, it is asking for the open quantity. See, value general contract undersigned for 1 lakh worth. For which product? Generally I given this product, but it is not must. It should be this product only. It can be any product. First point. And the price of the product fluctuates. Think about gold only. What is gold price today? Tomorrow is it the same? No. Slight changes will be there every day. The prices keep changing. So if you are given some amount to a gold merchant today and you are going to the merchant after 2 days to buy, then he will tell As on today, this is the price, and you'll get worth of this price, right? The same concept here. So think the Grasim 100 denim ice wash 2024. This product, this particular garment is costing now 2000 each. Think. So 1 lakh, how many you'll get? 500. Right? 100 thousands, 2000 each. So 500. Think the price has gone double now. Then 4000 and you'll get 250. Think the price drop down drastically to 1000, then you'll get 100. Right? So if it is 1000, you'll get 100. If it is 2000, you'll get 50. If it is 4000, you'll get 25. Depending upon the price. So as on today, it is costing 2000. So 50 is open quantity. Enter. Now what it is saying, target quantity of reference one piece is total reference 50. Now please understand, system will not read the price of a product. System cannot read the price of a product. Remember, system cannot read the price of a product because prices keep changing. When the customer is raising an order with reference to the contract, the seller should enter the price manually. That's the reason you can see what it is saying, target quantity of reference one piece is total reference of 50. So system is thinking one piece is 1 lakh. So it is just a caution, nothing to do. Just enter and click on enter material here. And here I give Grasim 100 of one product. I give Grasim 101 as one product or two products. It's up to you. What I mean to say here is it is not must you should take only that product which you have undersigned. You can take any product I said, and you can take n number of products I said, and you can claim the amount worth what you have been undersigned I said, right? So let's see now here. Say continue and go a step back after they both are accepted. Make sure you click on enter and continue. Go a step back, copy. So it copies out of 50, it is copying this two. And see here it is showing 3 lakhs because every product is taking as full price 1 lakh. So what we should do, select each, go to pricing and remove this 1 lakh and I give 2000. Any discount you want to give? Yes, 2% discount I want to give. Delivery handling charges is 400. Okay, go a step back. So first product prices is been modified. So at the rate of 2000, deducting the discount, adding up the price, this amount. Okay. Second product price, it is costing 1200, 5% discount, and 400 as handling charges. Okay. If I scroll aside, see 200 less discount, add freight. This is the sum amount of one, this amount of two. So 5040 is the cost of this order. Let me save this. Back, back. Now refresh VA42, if I go, enter, enter, see, 5040. Out of this 1 lakh, this is the released amount. See, everything you should get correctly. You should get it, that's all. If you're not getting two things, you made a mistake or there is an issue with the server. If issue with the server, try after some time. You made a mistake, you need to fix it up. See, if I need to do a session, I do a lot of groundwork with the server before I start, because I cannot search in the session why it is not happening, because you will be confused no matter a day delay, but session should happen correctly. That is my focus. No matter I cancel the session, fine, 1 day delayed maybe, but when you see correctly, when you understand correctly, you never forget. I am searching and you are confusing the meaning of such sessions. Okay, so focus is the clarity on the concept, clarity on the execution. Simple. Done. So that's about your value material contract in terms of, sorry, value general contract in terms of creation, in terms of release. Now, you need to understand the concept of value material contract. See, value general contract is open. You can claim any product. But value material contract has some specific features. Time based. So you can claim within the time only. Material based. You can claim that material only. Best example, I'll always say insurance policy. Say you have taken an insurance policy with lot of features. So you can claim within the time. Once your policy expires, you cannot claim. So what is the what is say premium you paid? What kind of policy, comprehensive or comprehensive plus or third party? Accordingly, you can claim only that only. That is materially stable. You cannot change. And your insured term, within the time you can claim. If the time expires, your policy will expire. So time base. So value metal contract is a product specific. You can claim only that product. Value metal product is a time specific. You can claim only in that time. So VA41 9, and give the customer ID sold to party, give the material for what we undersign, and how much amount worth 1 lakh I give. Now when I click on enter, see, start date and end date system picks automatically as 1 year. Why? How? If you all remember long back when I was teaching the customer master data, I'm sorry, not customer master data, sales document customizing. For value metal contract, we marked the what you say contract profile as 1 year. So within the year, the contract can be claimed or used. After the year, the contract expires. See, after 1 year, Grasim may manufacture this product or not, we can't say. Models keep changing, right? Fabric keep changing, right? As per the fashion. As an example, think a product a manufacture अवटलेదంటే వాడు ఏమి ఇస్తాడు వాడు ఓ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఇచ్చి నై मैन्युफैक्चर हो रहा था क्या देगा उन्हें so value metal contract is time based it's up to you 1 month 2 month 6 months 3 months 1 year 3 year 5 year whatever tenure Understanding between the client and the customer. Client is Grasim, customer is Chopostop. So value release here is nil. Okay. So let me select the line, go to item conditions. I'll remove the discount because it's a year time. When you will come, we don't know what for. What for we can't say. When you will come, I don't know. So freight remains same. Anytime you come down, it is same. Okay. So I given the fixed amount as freight. So it is taking 1,200,000. So you place an order for one product, it is product plus 200. You place an order for five products, it is five products plus 200. So it's a fixed amount. One product you pay 200 delivery handling charges. Five products you place an order, you'll pay 200 only. That's what is our scenario. So edit incompletion log, full amount. Okay, save it. Back, back. Now I need to release this VA01 with the reference contract. Now here it is system should read contract ID and releasing partner ID. Two things. Okay, so contract ID, let me just extract, enter. So GRA9. I given the contract ID. First I'll click on copy. It will read the contract ID. Then exactly one partner could be selected. This is the latest update. So your contract ID, your releasing partner is the customer ID. So for this customer, with reference to this contract ID, the transaction is happening. Second time you click on copy, it reads the releasing part. So it picks up the releasing part. If both are not matching, you cannot move ahead. So here you can see it is not giving you the middle screen. Straightly it brought to the order, it picked up full amount and it is saying 1. Yes, here manually we select the line, we go to pricing, we adjust this amount, for example 2000, discount yes 2%. I want to give manually here. So 2000 minus 2%, 1960, on which 200 added. This is the amount. How many you want? 1, 2, 3, 4. It's up to you. I say 4. So 8040. What happening here? 200 is the delivery and handling charges. I say it's a in one quantity you buy, it is 200 only. Four products you buy, it is 200 only. What is happening here? It is dividing. So 2000, if you see the break even here, 2000 less 2%, 160 deducted. What is the left now? 1960, on which 200 added. So it is become 840. So this 200 is getting divided into four products. Right? Here 160 got deducted, that is adjusted. That's the reason you're getting only 840. If I remove this, then you'll get correct accuracy 8200. Since here discount I given, 160 is getting deducted and this 200 again re-added, so you're getting adjustment here. Don't get confused. Done. Now how much is 8040? Saved. Go a step back. See, if server is good, things go very smoothly like this. So now VA42. This is a contract, enter. This is the release amount. So that's the way you should get everything respondable. Service contract also same. Only the material is service based. That's all. That is days, hours, weeks, months, years. Why is the service? Because service is according to the duration, building contract, rental contract, building maintenance, etc. Done. Now master contract VA41. I've selected the contract and the sales area continue. Now here, first you should give your customer ID, then you should select the reference SD sample reference procedure. Select and enter. Now, one point here you all need to understand, it is not giving the complete layout. Not only in this server, none of the server it comes up. Okay, during the live project, the tables will be manually uploaded, then it responds. So, since the layout is not completely presenting here, we cannot execute this. But as a trainee, you should know what fields to be maintained at least. So what I'll do, I'm going to write here. Like this you'll get. And this is what we maintain and this is what we maintain. These are not required. What this particular view consists of: contract info. What this consists of: billing details. Okay. Now in contract info view, what information we give. In billing data view, what information we give. I'm going to write here now. Now here, start date, end date. When you are starting, when your contract is getting ended. Contract profile. We have 1 year contract, we have 3 year contract, we have 5 year contract. So I take for example 1 year. Contract duration. So you can give a day format, a month format, year format. If I take day, it is 365. If I take month, it is 12. If I take year, it is 1. So when you click on the drop down, you select 365 for example. And start date. Before the start date, signing date to be given. You sign the contract on 2nd today and contract starts on 4th. 4, 5, 24, 2, 5, 24. Because see, normally whenever any contract to get executed, it takes 24 hours or 48 hours to activate. So start date, end date, contract profile, contract duration, start date, signing date, and start execution. Start date or execution date. I mean to say execution date. After give, you come to your billing details. Here you get billing plan. We give 02 will come defaultly. Periodical billing, milestone billing. When I was working on the customizing of sales document, I was telling your monthly bill payment is periodical, quarterly, half yearly, annually is a milestone based. So since for master contract we mark periodical, 02 will come automatically. First point. Second point, you will get all dates: actual date, settlement date. For example, today is second, 2 5 2024, and say 30th 5 2024, like that all dates till 2 5 2025 until 30th 5 2025. So every month you need to make one day as settlement date. See, when you are buying something on loan, the banker will tell you, sir, what should be the date you want to settle so that ECS will happen. Automatically, that amount will get deducted from your account, right? So I say every month, 5th, 5 6 24, 5 6 20, sorry, 5 7 24. That every month, out of these 12 months, I am settling 5th as the settlement date. And here you will have a box, say maintain, put a check mark for all the box. That means 5th is the settlement. And here you'll have create. Click on create. So out of this 12-month calendar, every month 50 the settlement date, which is maintained, and that date is. So after you fill in the details and maintain all, then you click on save. The contract will get saved. Here with the blank status, it got saved, fine. But where it will be activated? VA42, you go to quantity contract what we made, because master contract is referable for only quantity contract. It cannot be referred for value because it is not product specific, it is not time specific. So how can I tell every month bill should happen if he's not buying how? And it's a lifetime value general. So how can the master contract refers? So that's the reasons. So I take, sorry, let me open the quantity contract. It is 7. Now here you have master contract field. Here you mark GRA6. It will not respond if I say entered throw an error. Referring this sales document category not possible because it is not maintained. So if very rare the master contract will be customized. I say out of 100 projects, maybe one or two. Since you are learning many things. So what contains the master contract you understood, where to connect you understood. So when executing this quantity contract as per the master contract terms, the release dates will be for the billing. It is monthly kind of. All right, just understand. So that's all about your contracts, pre-sales, post-sales, all the document types, what all we made, we have executed. So if you can see this, you are through with the core module output. Now, what next we should do? There are few special situations, that is special topics. Not must in every company or any project to be, but if you know, it adds an extra edge to your knowledge. Now I give you a situation. Okay, let's start with free goods. We have seen discounts, but if you got to give a product along with the product, how? Say buy 5 shirts and get 1 shirt free. So till now you understood how to give a discount in terms of percentage, but product wise, again it should be configured. So I made these special topics in SQL. Thing is, one day one topic can be done. Why? Because when, for example, free goods, tomorrow I give some valid time. So till this is active, I cannot set up another one because in a company you will not see all the scenarios at a time. Here you are learning every day. I'm teaching a scenario and executing. So what I do, I give 1 day validity. Tomorrow I'll do the free goods. I'll give 1 day validity. After tomorrow, the scenario expires, and again day after tomorrow, I'll do another topic. So if you do in such way, you can see correctly all executed 100%. If you leave for long time validity, then there will be a clash in the backend. You may not get to see the output of anything. So dates play very important role. That's the intention what I want to say. Dates play very important role. So what is the concept of free goods? What is the inputs which are involved in customizing? How to customize? How to initiate? Everything you will be seeing, understanding in tomorrow's session. So thanks for waiting today. It took some time to launch the meeting, and I'm going to share this recording in some time. Please go through it and first try to understand, then take a time to practice. Don't just look into the recording and practice like a reaching your destination through Google Map. Don't do that. Understand it. Based upon your understanding, go for practicing. All right, because I see some people, they're practicing and they're not getting, and they're sending a screenshot. When you're doing this, I'm not getting this. When you're doing this, you got it. I'm not. When I'm doing, I'm not getting. Take some time and read that error, what it is saying. Clearly it is saying what is missing. So develop a capability on reading an error and solving it. You couldn't come to me, but first try, give a try. All right, some are very good, they are doing good. So doing good is not the person who is learning. Doing not good is not the person who is not learning, kind of. At the end of the day, what you're remembering is more important. Okay, so thank you all, and see you in tomorrow's session, everybody.